episode 3.
Isn't it?
Episode 4. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh, I was missing my thing to my controller. That's why
Forgot to put Wolf out.
Hurry, Jake. Uh-oh. It's becoming day.
Log 4.
Maybe I'll go find some sheep. Maybe this helmet will bring me much luck. With my ass. Every time I always say it will bring me much luck, and then it brings me spiders and creepers. And it didn't even drop a string. Oh my god. I have some great luck, don't I, Jake? Man, it's just amazing. Alright, Jake, I'm currently, now hoping to find a sheep. Isn't it guaranteed a sheep will drop block the wool?
I mean, not always guaranteed. It's like a 98% chance.
Okay, well, I hope I get lucky. I mean, I got this lucky helmet on. It's not really providing much right now, but maybe it will soon. I'm just on top of the mountain, Jake. I did not go far.
Okay, I think we need to draw these things out some way.
No sheep. No sheep, Jake. I have another entrance into down there. There's like many holes in the ground. Like cracks.
Just smack me, little boy.
Oh god.
Okay, good. I'm not doing anything.
Hang on, guys.
Oh, wolf. Really?
Here you go. It's on it.
I'm scared, Jake. I really am.
Who isn't, Nikki? Who isn't at this point?
Dude,
Almost died to a skeleton. I'm at 2 hearts. My shield is really low.
Yeah, I'll get down there, Jake. Didn't you just make a new one?
Yes, I'm still using the one until it breaks, Nikki.
So you don't have to worry about the shield then. Shoot! I almost fell down there. Oh. I did fall, but yeah. Hey, Jake. Yeah, I'm around that area. I'll be there in a minute. Ouch. 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 Oh! There's Jake. There's another entrance. There's another entrance. There's many other entrances. There's many other entrances.
Just hang on. I'm healing. I need to heal, Nikki.
Wait. I just took a screenshot of where the other entrances are.
Yeah, so we gotta keep that in mind. I gotta make it super secure and secret. Like, I gotta... Like, Nikki.
What, Jake?
I'm looking right at you.
No,
Like,
you're not.
I was. You moved. Look, Nikki. Now I'm looking at you. Don't go in there. Not yet. I need to clear them out, and I need to get better armor.
Once I get a bed, I can go in there.
Yeah, we need to save our spawn point on the same bed.
I don't think we can do that, Jake.
Collect that so I could,
What?
collect that. We can make banners. Collect the sugar cane. We can make cookies and stuff and cakes.
I'm looking for it, Jake.
We can make cakes though. I'm gonna kidnap us a cow.
I don't need a cow.
And good thing now we can finally craft some
with no sheeps anywhere. Dude, I think we might have to give us some wool, just one piece of wool. We're that sad right now. So freaking broke. This hat is not bringing me much at all.
Where's Jake at?
I don't know. He's down there fighting. Get as much string as you can, Jake. Look at this man. It's
I got 2
crazy.
string.
This is pretty crazy looking. I like it. And I have no building blocks. Except for some horse dirt.
4 string.
I can see you down there, Jake.
I got 4 string. Okay, I'm mining this iron. I'm sorry, I need it.
I could go down there if I wanted, but I really don't. Oh, hey there, buddy. You think you're so tough? Well, come over here then. Get over here, pal. I actually want him to come over here because I might need that armor. Get over here, dude. I see you. Is this really a good idea? No, it's definitely not. Get in there, get in there. Noob! What did you die? How'd you die?
I didn't die.
No, not you. The zombie.
Go get soda, buddy. Sorry.
I have some armor.
Sorry, guys. That's my little brother, and you guys can say, "Oh." You guys can say, "Oh, you're giving a child." Yeah, he's my little brother. I spoil him. That's my job. I'm the elder brother. I spoil him.
Soda. Dude, I killed the zombie and I got a leather helmet. We still don't have cute boys yet. Do you have 9 string yet? Oh no!
No, my.
I can't help
He picked up my armor, my shield, my sword.
you. I'll go up here so I can get rid of it.
Nikki, can you go in there and get my stuff? It's over there by the mangrove stuff.
I'm serious, I will. I'm just trying to keep right now. Okay, let me see if I can see it.
They won't attack you as long as you don't go too close.
Jake, I can't see it now, so I'm sorry. There's nothing I can do, Jake. I'm severely in the tower.
They won't.
I'm severely in the tower, Jake.
Just give me your sword and your armor, and then I'll run in there and get it.
Skeleton at the bottom of the lake. I don't like that. If I go in there, I'm gonna have to pull 600 IQ move.
Just go in there and do it, please. I cannot let my stuff respawn.
Is it over there by
Yes.
the lush cave stuff?
Yes, it's over there in that lush cave stuff. The only thing there is a zombie that equipped my crap. It has a
Alright,
shield.
well, I'm gonna put my stuff in the chest. Jake, and if I die, well, I'm sorry. But,
You have an ender. You know what? Use the ender pearl. We can get another one.
I will try so hard, Jake, but I'm gonna put my armor and stuff in the chest because I want to keep it. If I die, it's not even gonna be that big of a deal. We're losing armor pearl, and I'll be sad. So,
I'm about to meet up with you, so basically if you die, I can pick up your stuff.
shoot, I can't go.
Just throw it. Just throw it once.
Jake, I have a better idea. Up there. I'll go through up here. This is closer anyway.
Yeah, and you're gonna have to kill that guy that's wearing my armor. My chest plate might break, I don't care.
Because I'll try my best before you weapons to spawn. Because I don't really have the best controller. So yeah, I can't do it. But it's okay. Once I get up there, I'll get the stuff to it. If it doesn't respawn.
I've walked 600 blocks.
Hello? Where's the entrance at? It's gotta be somewhere, right? Ow. Jake, I can't do it. I can't do it, Jake. I'm out of food. So, I'm sorry. You gotta do it yourself, or I don't know, because I'm out of food, Jake. And I can't find the entrance, so. Well, that was short-lived.
Nope, I'm not losing my stuff. I'm right.
I really would, Jake, but I don't have any food, so I can't.
There's food in the chest area by our stuff. I'll just run in and get it.
Alright, Jake, but don't get hurt. To the point of death.
Give me the ender pearl and the sword.
I need some food first.
I
We're out of food.
Oh.
Except for rotten flesh.
not take the rotten flesh.
Alright, do you want me to do it, or you?
I'll go do it. Give me the ender pearl.
Alright. Don't waste my armor, Jake. If you die, then that means I'm gonna have to do it.
Give me your sword.
And if I have to go in there after you, Jake, I'm not gonna be happy. Period.
Arc it.
Uh-oh.
Hang on.
Do you want me to?
I died in
Are
a.
you serious?
The ender pearl went in a wall. Go get my stuff. Go get my stuff.
I will, Jake. I gotta get this rotten flesh real quick.
It's in your
I
inventory.
gotta kill these guys to get some rotten flesh. Oh no, it's becoming dark, Jake, so I don't know if I will be able to. I'm sorry, Jake, it's getting dark.
I cannot lose that stuff. I worked so hard. At least go get the notebook.
Oh god. Jake, they're swarming me.
You just jump and run.
Oh.
Well, guys, that's the end of the video.
They're dying one by one, Jake. Let's just, Jake. You leave me alone, good sir.
Just jump from that stone and just.
Jake, because I'll take fall damage and they start hitting me down dead. I'm thinking about the bigger picture here, Jake. I should take the time to kill them first. Or else it'll just be a big failed mission. Why are more conjuring? No! There shouldn't be more conjuring. Stop coming. Just, if you see this, if you're a zombie and you see some dude starting to punch him off a pile of dirt, don't go over there. How are they still alive? How are they still alive?
Actually, that's.
Help me.
Come on.
They have 22 health, and their hitbox is higher.
Nope, Jake. Let me show you. Look.
Come
Zombie
on.
has 20
Joey, be
health.
quiet, please. So I can focus. Damn it, more.
See,
stop.
I
I don't care about the nerds.
You're starting to piss
Look.
me off.
They
Yeah,
drop.
I see something.
What?
It's iron.
I know, Joey.
They gotta stop. I'm sorry, Jake. I don't know what to do currently.
Just grab another pickaxe. Oh, look, they walked away. You're gonna have to go in.
I couldn't, Jake. Well, now it's kind of screwed, so I'm gonna go continue doing it. Well, I'll see if I can. Frickin' mobs. Jake, I told you just turn it on peaceful for a bit, but you didn't listen. And now your stuff's gone, and all our stuff's gone, and we died. I told you to turn it on peaceful, didn't I? Just
No.
until we cleared out that area.
Yes, I know.
Should have turned it on. This is far too big a task. The worst part is getting all the way back over there.
Not if you go by the water. I went by the water and I was fine.
Yeah, it just takes like 5 minutes, dude. It's like, we haven't even respawned yet until we get there.
Don't do that.
Waiting 5 minutes to respawn, that pixel gun 3D stuff pisses me off, man. That's why I stopped playing that game. Are you kidding? Stop doing that. Alright, well I'm getting there, Jake, slowly but surely. And I mean really slowly.
Slash get free shields.
Not the face.
It's faster by the lane, definitely. Because you can run. I don't have a boat shield.
If you do get my stuff, Nikki, I will. You can have the shield and the iron sword and everything, Nikki. I don't care.
I've already lost 500 pounds.
How did I drown? I didn't take any damage and I was above water. My head was above water.
Jake, what I'm recommending is this. I'm only gonna say it this last time. It would help majorly. Just to get the stuff back.
Yes, you know what? Guys, you're probably gonna think you're probably gonna go down on me, but
I would have done it off camera.
can't, guys. I'm sorry.
It's like using
Move out of the way.
a med kit,
Yes, it is.
like an adrenaline shot. I cannot. I am now an enhanced human being. I'm making it there, Jake, slowly but surely. I'm almost there. That means all the mobs are really right now.
Hey, watch it.
I'm like right behind you. Oh, and look, your hunger refilled because of it.
Don't do that.
These motherfuckers. Look what they did, Jake.
It's not that bad. Go get my stuff.
Ooh.
Jake, your stuff is
No, you don't know what that means.
I don't. It despawns.
No, it's right there. You can see it.
Oh yeah, Jake. Oh, sorry, Jake. It despawned, man. I just can't find it anywhere. I don't know, man. I just can't find it nowhere, man. I just can't find it nowhere, dude.
You have all your stuff.
What are you talking about? No, I don't. Okay, Jake, I'll get it back to you. If I can. Make it back. This is a nice place, man. This is gonna be my little home.
I know it's gonna be.
I like how we're turning it into a military base.
We will, Jake. Just once everybody's on it one time. Boom.
We kind of don't have to like agree with them because we're technically taking all the time to build it for everyone to live there. Lizzie is just, me and Lizzie are just designing our own room. We have the kitchen that we're working on.
Time to brawl.
How are we gonna light that whole place up?
Let's go.
But if you do it right, then you can do it right. You know what I mean?
I know they're probably disappointed in me, just like Jake. Why did you do it? Wolf, why? Why, Wolf, why?
What were we
Why,
supposed to do?
Wolf, why?
Does it light up the whole area?
Okay.
But even up top, that's pretty. This area doesn't need to be lighted up too much to stop the glowberries, but running out of torches, but we have some coal.
That's what I was collecting.
Move out of the way. Surrender now.
He picked up one of my shields. I don't know which shield he picked up.
But so,
No time. Gotta
No.
Alright, Jake, you should not do it yet. Look at how huge this place is.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of building to do.
Right. Well, I'm gonna get started on it.
Would it have been better to
after I
just
do
work it out from a cave and do it?
I don't know, man. But I'm gonna get started on doing stuff. And you can like, get me materials.
Yes, just give me my stuff.
Okay.
I'm behind you.
And places are secure. Okay.
Like, I'll help with the terraforming because terraforming is the hardest part.
Nah, I'm just gonna like do it a specific way.
Read what I put in my book and quill so far, Nikki. Read my book. Read my log.
Oh no! Get out!
This is it.
Wait, go. It's been, man, almost died, then died. Died, then died. Nikki and I are having a one bad time. Died again. Let's keep creeping on. Wolf out. Nikki died again. Had some laughs. Let's keep onward, my knights. I'm calling them knights from now on. You guys are known.
Midnight Wolfie.
No.
7-6.
No, that took me so long to make. I would literally have a vendetta. Oh, I did not
Jake,
mean to hit
who
you.
has the sword right now?
Drop
Jake?
me my weapon.
Who has the sword?
You, but drop me my weapon. I took time. Drop me my. Drop.
Thank you.
You can
This is
take. You
mine.
can keep that.
Hey, Nita, check me out. Okay.
You only get one of those. You get one of those. You get some of that. Some
Wow,
of that,
that's all my
some
stuff
of
too.
that.
That's
Some-
all my
it's
stuff.
the feed, Jake.
How is it the feet? Give me my
Some of
sword.
that, some of
The
that,
feet. Give me my sword. Give me my.
some of that. Alright, Jake. Is that good? You like that? I need this bone, Jake. I'm sorry.
You can keep the bone. Just give me my shield and.
Oh yeah, I forgot about your shield.
I was gonna. You can
I
keep the
forgot.
boat.
I need to start doing my stuff over here. I don't want to make a loom. That's what it is. Jake, I need you to. Your shield's right there, Jake. Behind you.
Okay. I'm putting it on because
Jake, I need you to get me some wood. A lot of wood.
Yes, we're gonna need a lot of wood in order to
So
terraform.
that is your first mission, Jake. Get me some wood.
Yes.
And we're not going to be terraforming yet. I need to flatten out the
Whole
the
place.
whole place first. Well,
Oh my
I'm just gonna
god.
work with it. But
How long is this series gonna be again?
I don't know. But I need you to go get me, like, cut down a whole bunch of trees. Get me, like, a few stacks of logs, okay?
Yeah, let's get started.
So that's your first mission, Jake.
And we'll do that in the next episode because it is the 30-minute mark. Okay. Okay, I hope you realize we have done 3 episodes in, like, 1, so we have been doing this for well over an hour and a half.
Well, that's okay.
I need to upload some of these, so we might have to take a break.